Hello and welcome to this FX Empire review of Gulf Brokers Ltd, a broker that was founded in 2016 and is regulated by the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles, offering the ability to trade on more than 800 different trading instruments, covering Forex, commodities, indices and shares on the globally recognized MetaTrader 5 trading platform for Windows, web, Android and iOS trading systems. On the broker's About Us page, we can see that they offer customer service 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and they also offer regulation and authorization by the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles. This is confirmed by looking at the Financial Services of Seychelles register. And as we can see here, we have Gulf Brokers Ltd. Gulf Brokers provides the ability to trade on the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, as we can see here under the trading tab. And if we scroll down, there's certain benefits that the broker explains to you regarding the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, such as the ability to look at 80 trading indicators and tools, using MQL5 for automated trading systems, using one-click trading features, an advanced strategy tester, multi-currency and language support. Gulf Brokers allows traders to download the trading platform on Windows or use the web trader platform or the mobile trading apps on Android and iOS. Under the Brokers Trading Instruments tab, we can actually see a little bit more detail about the markets that are available to trade with via Gulf Brokers. So as we can see here, we have commodities, Forex, indices and shares. If we scroll down a little bit more, we can actually see the different currencies that are available to trade with via Gulf Brokers. So we can see here, for example, Canadian against the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. If we scroll down, wide variety of different currencies, lots of exotic currencies as well, Russian ruble, for example, Turkish lira, Singapore dollar. So quite a wide variety of different currencies available to trade with. And we can also see typical spread information, and we can see leverage is up to 1 to 500. Now we'll have a look at live spreads when we look at the MetaTrader 5 trading platform provided by Gulf Brokers a little bit later on. We can also see that the broker offers shares and a wide variety of different shares, as we can see here, from different locations. So shares from France, Germany, Hong Kong, Italy, the Netherlands, Spain, Switzerland, UK and the US. And to see which individual shares they offer, you can just click on a location and it gives you the list of shares that are available to trade with via the broker. So a large variety of different instruments available to trade via Gulf Brokers, and we can actually see here the commission for share trading 0.5% with a minimum $20. The broker also provides research in the form of market news, daily summary and a blog. And as we scroll down, we can actually see this blog is feature rich with different information. We've got analysis here on the euro, we've got stock market analysis here on Apple, and we also have broader economic analysis regarding recent events such as the coronavirus. So quite useful range of topics available. And if we just look at the first one, the euro article, we can actually see here, if we scroll down, we have text, we've got a fundamental outlook, we have a technical outlook as well. Okay, and then a list of more articles that are available to look at via the trading blog provided by Gulf Brokers. The broker also provides some education materials. As we can see here, we have a video series, okay, and we also have tips for traders, which are article based, as well as a glossary of different trading terms. So in the glossary, it covers explanations for stop loss, margin call, margin, lot, spreads, swaps. So lots of useful information for traders to know about when trading the financial markets. Gulf Brokers advertises 24 hours a day, 5 days a week customer support via phone number, email, or via a quick messaging online contact form, which can be found on their website, as well as more contact telephone numbers and emails. Once you have opened an account with Gulf Brokers, you are taken to their My Gulf Brokers area, which is the client portal area where you can access different accounts, open live trading accounts, open demo trading accounts, upload document verification and adjust settings. You can also trade from the online web trader directly from the browser, as we can see here at the bottom, and you can also open it up in a bigger browser to have a bigger screen view of the MetaTrader 5 online web trader platform provided by Gulf Brokers. So as we can see here on the left hand side, we have a list of markets, and if we right click on this market watch and click on symbols, it opens up a list of all the different markets that are available to trade with via the broker. So we've got all the major currencies, majors, minors, crosses, exotics as well. We've also have cash indices. As we scroll down, we've got energy markets such as oil, we've got different stocks, EU stocks, US stocks, commodities like gold, cocoa, cotton, sugar. So a wide variety of different markets available to trade with. If you click on a market and select it in the specification window, you do get some details here as well regarding the time the market is open, plus the swap values. And swap values are a little bit higher with Gulf Brokers than other brokers. As we can see here, both negative swaps for holding positions overnight. So useful information for traders across all these different asset classes. And if we just click the close window, we'll go back to the chart. We can see right now the spread there on euro dollar is around 3 pips. Okay, so we can also change time frames here. We've got 1 minute charts all the way to monthly charts. If we click on insert indicators, lots of different indicators available, Bollinger Bands, moving averages. We've got Bill Williams fractals as well. We've got Fibonacci drawing tools, Gann drawing tools. So lots of useful technical indicators available in the web trader platform. So to place a trade, users can use the one-click trading feature here and simply click on sell or buy. If we click on buy, this will open up a disclaimer for the one-click trading. And then we just need to accept the terms and conditions if you're happy with those after you've read them. And if we go back in, we click buy, you can actually see here an order, live trade has been executed instantaneously, and we can see that as in the bottom there. And we can actually see where the entry level is on the chart, and we can actually adjust the trade directly from the chart. So for example, we've just bought this, and I can left click and hold down on the entry level, and I can drag down the horizontal line, and where I release it will then add a stop loss in, which you can see now the stop loss has been pre-populated. We can also left click and hold down on the entry level and drag it up to put a take profit in as well. And now you can see a take profit has a value in there. So quite useful on the chart functionality from a trading perspective. To close that, we can simply right click and click close position. Okay, or you can also click modify, and that will modify the order for you. You can change the stop loss and take profit by a point amount as well as stop loss and take profit amount. Okay, this instance we can just click close position. This will put up another ticket, and then we just click on close, and that's been done. Okay, there's also other functionality as well, so you can look at new orders here, for example, and access different types of orders such as pending orders. So we've got buy limit, sell limit, stop orders as well. So useful functionality for different types of traders entering live at market as well as placing pending orders. We also have the ability to short the market as well by clicking the sell button, and now you can actually see that has executed a live trade, a sell trade, and that is our entry price. And then we can do the same thing. We can left click and hold down on the entry level. We can drag it up to put a stop loss in. Or we can left click and hold down on the entry level. We can drag it down to put a take profit in. And those levels have been pre-populated on the chart. To close it, we can simply right click and click on close position. So quite simple to use. A lot of different features available within the MetaTrader 5 online web trader platform. Now let's have a look at the mobile trading app provided by Gulf Brokers. So here we have the MetaTrader 5 mobile trading app provided by Gulf Brokers. As we can see here on the home page, we've got access to quotes, charts, trading, history, and an economic calendar as well as news. If we look at the quote window, we can see there's already a selection here of different asset classes. To add different asset classes on, we can select the pencil icon here at the top and select the plus button. And now we've got access to all the markets that are available to trade with via Gulf Brokers. We've got access to Forex majors, minors, crosses, exotics, different indices, different commodities, and different stocks and shares. If we click on FX majors, for example, we can just add on pound against the US dollar, dollar against the Japanese yen, for example. If we go back to our quote window, we can actually see at the bottom, we've got different currencies that we've just added on, pound against US dollar and US dollar against the Japanese yen. In this instance, we can click on pound against the US dollar here, and this opens up some other functionality to open up a new order open a chart, look at the properties of the market or market statistics. If we click on chart, this will open up a chart of pound against US dollar, as we can see here. And we have some different functions at the top. We've got the F icon where we can add in different indicators. So if we click the F icon, we've got Bollinger Bands, envelopes, average true range, MACD, momentum. So lots of different indicators available. We can select stochastic oscillator here. We can change the settings if we need to. We can just click done, and now we have the stochastic oscillator. We can change symbols here at the top as well, and we can also add in other windows. So we can add in another window by selecting new window, and now we've got two different windows here that we can be viewing at the same time, which is quite useful for a lot of people. Now if we hold down on the actual chart, we can also change different time frames here and access different things. We've got minute charts there, 1 hour charts, all the way to monthly charts. So we can click on a 1 hour chart and that's just changed to a 1 hour chart. So really useful functionality here in this mobile trading app. To place a trade, we can simply click the plus icon here at the top, and we've got different functions. We can use a market execution, we can use limit or stop orders as well. And in this instance, what we can do is just buy at market, and that has been done, and a live trade has been placed there and executed. And we can add in a stop loss and take profit by holding down on this and modifying the position and putting in a take profit, and then also putting in a stop loss as well. And then once we've done that, we can click on modify, and then that has now been amended, and we can check that by clicking on the order, and we can actually see that stop loss and take profit are there. So we can also close the order by just holding down and clicking on close position, and we can close this. And we can also go back into the chart by clicking the three candle icons at the bottom left. We can click the plus icon, and in this instance what we can do is put a stop loss and take profit in by the time we take a trade. So in this instance, I'm going to put a stop loss, and I'm going to click the plus icon, and I'm going to put the stop loss at this area here. I'm going to put a take profit level lower, and then when I click sell by market, that should already have pre-populated a stop loss and take profit. And you can see a stop loss and take profit values have been filled in there. So to close this, we can just hold down and click close position, and then that can be closed. So that wraps up this review of Gulf Brokers. We hope you found this to be of value and wish you all the best with your trading.